Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Creatrix YouTube channel, my dear friends. We are here with one more important information, that is NTPC recruitment through GATE. So I already conducted a session for you all in which I told about the vacancies that have come from NTPC's side through GATE 2021 examination. But many people were asking me, sir, how much rank do we need to get into NTPC? What are the cutoff for NTPC? And that is why this video will exactly guide you regarding that whether or not you can expect a call from NTPC based on your GATE performance. Okay, so let me get started, guys. But before I start, make sure that you hit that like button and share this video with as many of your friends as possible. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am currently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now, many students know this about me, beta, but what I want you all to know is the mission and the vision of this channel, which is to empower each and every student of this country to get the best quality education at zero prices, free of cost, through this YouTube channel and through other initiatives on Unacademy Learning app. If you download the Unacademy Learning app, then you can access our free initiative simply by unlocking them using the code ANKITEAC. Other than that, my friend, my special classes link is given here. If you visit this link in your browser, you will find all my special classes that I will be taking in the near future in upcoming folder, and whatever I have taken in the past will be available in different folders which you can just open and have a look at for yourself. Now, my friends, we have also launched a special initiative in the special classes where we are trying to solve 10,000 practice questions before GATE exam, so that once you appear for GATE exam, none of the question will seem like that it is new to you, that you have not studied it. So you will always feel that that question is within your range and you can do really well. So for that, you have to download the Unacademy app, unlock this Master Blaster series using code ANKITEAC. Now let's get started. NTPC recruitment through GATE, my dear. So what is NTPC? NTPC is one of the biggest organization for power generation. It is known as the National Thermal Power Corporation Limited. It is a central PSU. It is engaged in business of generation of electricity and allied activities. Company incorporated in 1956 and owned by Ministry of Power, Government of India. Actually, it was not incorporated in 1956. It means the act that it follows, the rules that it follows are the Companies Act 1956. So these are some legal rules that every company has to abide by. So don't go into that, not needed for us. So basically, guys, we very well know NTPC. I don't think there will be any electrical engineer who won't know about NTPC as a company, right? So we know about NTPC as a company. We know it is a very reputed organization, and most of us want to have a job in a company such as NTPC. Now let us understand what it takes to get into NTPC through GATE exam. So this video is going to be for those students who have appeared for GATE 2021 and they want to appear for NTPC interviews and are confused whether or not they will get a call from NTPC. So what are the cutoffs through GATE 2020? So basically, guys, for unreserved, the rank cutoff was 156, for economic weaker section 412, OBC 442, and SC 1088, ST 840, and PWBD is 11,375. The marks in GATE 2020 were 70, 65, 64.67, 59, 60, and 36. So guys, don't go after the marks, because the type of paper, the category, the difficulty, that keeps on changing from year to year. But what doesn't change actually is the rank that is required to get into PSU. The rank always fluctuates near about the same value, but if there is a drastic change in the number of vacancy, then this rank might change. For mechanical, we still got even higher ranks, up to 191 in unreserved. For electronics, up to 58 rank, and for instrumentation it was up to 60th rank. So basically guys, the most difficult part was for electronics and instrumentation to get into NTPC because the rank was very high. You needed 58 or 60th rank in order to get into NTPC. Okay. So guys, this year many of you might have appeared for GATE exam from other branches as well. Like electrical people actually appeared through instrumentation. But remember one thing, PSU always asks that you give the paper from the branch in which you have done your BTech in. So the allowance to appear for GATE from multiple stream is only because if you want to pursue MTech from different streams. Don't think that PSU is also asking or accepting application cross stream. Cross stream means you have done your BTech in electrical and you have gotten a rank in instrumentation. That will be difficult in PSU. I don't think they will be accepting it because they need degree as well as exam in the same stream. Now, what about GATE 2019 electrical? Unreserved, the rank was quite high, 677. So this was still comfortable to get into NTPC. In 2020, it was very difficult. In OBC 1408, SC 3674, ST 4213, PWBD around 20,000. So guys, in 2019 it was very easy to get into NTPC as compared to 2020. I won't say extremely easy because obviously even 700 rank is difficult to get in a competitive exam like GATE. What about mechanical? For unreserved it was up to 1108. Guys, see how up to how much rank they accepted the candidates. In OBC 2800, SC 7716, ST 10958, PWBD 38644. What about electronics? In electronics the seats are always less and hence the rank required is a bit higher, 316, OBC 1047, SC 2359, ST 5319 and PWBD 11242. So guys, in electronics you need better ranks to get into NTPC than electrical. For GATE 2019 instrumentation, similar trend as electronics because these guys also have less vacancies, 328, 969, 1475 for SC, 2869 for ST, 2869 for PWBD. Okay, what about mining? Let's ignore mining, we don't need it actually. What about GATE 2018? In electrical, the marks required were 68.33. Now 2018 paper was not as easy as trivial. So I would say like this will be similar to 2021. Similar. Okay, this will be similar. So you can expect around that cutoff will be somewhere around 70 or 75 marks. Between 70 and 75 marks for GATE 2021. And for mechanical it was 78 marks, almost 77.28. EC 51 marks because the paper of EC was quite tough. Instrumentation 70 marks and mining was 63 marks. What about 2017? In electrical 62.84, rank was 206. Focus on the rank. So what you can expect in GATE 21, that if your rank is within 200, you can expect a call from NTPC, but in unreserved category above 200 rank it will be difficult. For OBC guys, you can expect somewhere around 350 if your rank is within 350. For SC you can say around 2500 to 3000. For ST under between 1500 to 2000, and PWD you can basically assume somewhere in the range of 10,000. That is going to be the cutoff. Now these are the marks that are listed based on this cutoff. For mechanical 81.02, then 77.69. For electrical I don't think it is there. Yeah, electrical marks is there, 62.84. So electrical people, these are the ranks you can expect to be having the cutoff in GATE 2021. For electronics and communication, it was around 100 rank you need, under 100. For OBC you need within 150. For SC you can say around 500, around 1000 and around 2500. So guys, again I am telling, focus on the rank, not the marks, because PSUs select on the basis of AIR, not on the basis of GATE marks or the GATE score. Just like MTech has a cutoff in terms of GATE score, PSUs have a cutoff in terms of AIR. Okay, so that's all. I have given you a fair idea about what you can expect in the NTPC recruitment through GATE. Now, my friends, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus to attend live classes by top educator, get assignments, quizzes, test series, question bank, and prepare for GATE, ESE, PSU, State AE under one banner, under one subscription. And if you want to fly higher, go with Iconic. You will get a personal coach, you will get study planner, you will get study material, you will get a dedicated doubt team, you will get test analysis. What you have to do, just download the app and subscribe to Unacademy. While subscribing, use the code AnkitESE in order to get an immediate 10% discount and connect with me personally to get all the added benefits with this code. And my friend, this is the latest batch that we have started. The next batch will be starting from 9th of June, and in that batch from July onwards, I'll be taking machines. So if you want to learn machines from me, the latest batch is starting from 9th of June. Do join it right now so that you can attend machines from me, myself. Okay, I know many of you have been asking me for this course for quite long. For ECE, the god of ECE, Vishal Soni sir is bringing communication system from 9th of June. What can be better, beta? What can be better? This is the best opportunity that you can get. So join now. The class will run for 3 hours each day and you can enjoy the class. You can learn from him at his best. Okay. Now, on 6th of June, that is on Sunday 11 am, we are going to conduct a combat, which is a scholarship test where you can win even 100% scholarship if you do well. And this will test your basics, 20 questions in 1 hour and a chance to win free Unacademy subscription. Register now using the code AnkitESE. And my friend, with AnkitESE, if you join Unacademy, what is the fees for 1 year? 27 to 25, 18 months, 34,650, 2 years, 39,600. Beta, I would suggest for 2 years because this will minimize your per month cost. You can pay it in installment on debit card or you can avail education loan from Unacademy. Now, my friend, in Iconic for 1 year, your fees would be 45 to 25, 2 years, 66,600. Again, beta, prefer going for 2 year. My Unacademy ID is this, where you can message me, you can interact with me personally, and this is my Telegram channel to know about all the free initiatives that I bring or my team brings, t.me/GateAIR1. So thank you everyone. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment below the video, and do tell me what PSU would you like to learn about next, and I'll definitely bring that video for you guys. Stay connected, stay healthy, keep cracking it. Let's crack it.